Imagine walking into a room and feeling every woman's gaze lock onto you. Not because you're the tallest, not because you're the richest, but because you unconsciously trigger the same psychological addiction that makes people crave social media, gamble at casinos, and fall hopelessly in love. This isn't magic. This is science so powerful, most men will go their entire lives without ever knowing it. Warning: this knowledge will change how you see every interaction. For centuries, a select few men have wielded this power. They weren't always the most handsome. They weren't always the wealthiest. But they understood the hidden wiring of female attraction better than neuroscientists. MIT research proves attraction is not a choice. It's a chemical cascade you can activate on demand. Yet 97% of men never learn these rules, which is why they spend years in the friend zone, while others make women crave them after one conversation. Here's a disturbing truth. The woman you're obsessed with, she's not special. Your brain made her special by releasing dopamine every time she gave you unpredictable attention. Now flip it. Instead of chasing her, become the slot machine. Reply sometimes immediately, sometimes hours later. Share exciting stories without over-explaining. Leave conversations right when she's most engaged. This isn't manipulation. This is how charisma works. The same way Netflix autoplays the next episode. You make her brain beg for the next interaction. Watch these two men describe the same vacation. Guy 1, yeah, Bali was cool, nice beaches. Guy 2, so there I was, 3 a.m. on a Balinese beach, when suddenly, MRI scan comparison, Guy 2's story lights up her emotional brain 400% more. Women don't fall for facts, they fall for emotional journeys. Here's the exact formula. Start with danger tension. I shouldn't be telling you this. Add vivid details. The smell of salt water, her trembling hands. End with unresolved energy. But that's a story for another time. Do this right, and she'll create fantasies about you without you lifting a finger. In 1784, Benjamin Franklin discovered a brutal psychological law. The more someone does for you, the more they like you. Modern study. Subjects who gave small favors reported 47% stronger attraction. This is why billionaires ask for advice from women. Cult leaders demand initiation rituals. Your ex still does favors for her toxic ex. The play, ask for trivial help. What's the best sushi place here? Later, actually you should come show me. Watch as her brain retroactively justifies liking you. Say this to any woman. You seem like someone who, pause, people underestimate. Here's why it works. It's vague enough for her to project meaning. It implies you see her true self. It creates instant emotional intimacy. After she answers, whisper, "Yeah, I thought you'd say that." Watch her pupils dilate. Now you face a choice. Use this to create genuine connections, or become the monster these tricks can create. A groom making his bride laugh, a cult leader brainwashing followers, a lonely man transforming into his best self. Power isn't good or evil. Intent is. So I'll ask you, what kind of man do you want to be? The test begins now. 1. Like this video. The algorithm hides this knowledge. 2. Comment mirror. If you're ready to go deeper, 3. Subscribe. Next week, the 3 a.m. text that triggers obsession. They don't want you to know, but now you do.